Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a 99-cent store haul. My purpose in going there was to find some little gifts that I like to put inside packages when I ship out my Poshmark sales. And basically, like, if someone purchases anything like over $25, then I'll put in a free gift or something like that. So that's basically my reason for going. And then I ended up picking up a few other items, which I'm going to share with you guys. So the first thing is this gift box set, and I love the little red truck on it, how it has the foiling on it. I think that's so cute. And the other side is like this, and it has the foiling on it as well. So this is the first thing I grabbed. I did not need any more ornaments, but I saw these and I just had to get them because I thought they were so cute. And it's just some little mushrooms and they look like that, and they have the little sprinkles on the bottom part right there. So I got one in pink and one in blue. I saw these at the 99-cent store in the past, and I did purchase them, but I did give them out in packages. So I saw these two and I decided to get them again just to put in my stash. So it's the foundation brush and the blush brush, and they are so pretty. The little mermaid tail at the bottom down there. And I just think these are really pretty. And who are these by? These are by Basic Beauty. So I went ahead and got this set. And then I saw these sculpting brushes by Tartan and Twine. I swear, you guys, the packaging on this reminds me so much of like Tarte, like from, and then I was thinking like these look like they would have been sold in Ulta. So I picked up two of these to give out, and then also the Kabuki Brush, and I love their packaging on these. Really, really nice. So, and these were 99-cent. I know sometimes you have to say if it's 99-cent or $1.99, but these were all actually 99-cent. And then the next thing was these cases, and I picked up 5 because I was like, okay, these will be really good gifts. Even if you're still looking for stocking stuffers or gifts to give to your friends, if you have a 99-cent store, you might want to pick up some of these. They're charcoal infused, purifying. It says they're infused with charcoal, which has purifying and detoxifying properties. Foundation brush, a contour brush, and a concealer brush in each one of these cute little zipper packs. Oh, I can't do it because it's sealed shut right there, so I don't want to mess it up. But these are really cute, and they're soft too. So I picked up 5 of those to give out. And then I grabbed these Tartan and Twine cell phone mirrors, and I really like these. They are trimmed in gold. There was a lot of them, but I only picked up 2 of these. It says restickable mirror for all phones and cases. And so maintain your daily look. I love this. One of these is actually for me because I love like being able to not have to go all in my purse, and I'll just have a mirror on the back of my cell phone so that I can look at it. The only concern is that I'm doing something with my phone and the sun hit it and I blind somebody. But besides that, these are super cute. I found another set of brushes by London Soho, New York, and these are really nice. This one was a $2.99 item, as you can see. And this one has a powder brush, foundation, concealer, and a kabuki. And I just like that. I think that set is cute. So this will be for someone that probably would order something over like $40. Then I'll just throw this one in there or something like that. But I only picked up 1 of those. And then I also grabbed these Kabuki brushes, which are retractable. I had these in the past, but I gave them all out in orders. So whenever I see anything like that, I like to get that. Then I grabbed 2 of these charcoal infused Conair charcoal infused beauty sponges, and they are flat on let me see, one side is flat, and these are by Conair. So I've never even knew that Conair made beauty blenders, excuse me. I just known them to make like flat irons and stuff like that. I did not know this, so this was kind of cool when I saw these, so I only picked up 2 of these. And then I saw these L'Oreal Infallible paints, and I remember when these were in my Walgreens and I didn't purchase any, but I picked them up because they were 99-cent, and it is eyeshadow, and you get 2 different colors. So you have this color and this color on the end, 2 different. You can do like an ombre effect, or you know, with your eyes. This one is like a rose gold, and then you got the navy blue. I think that is really pretty. This one is called Navy Yard. This one was called Mint Detox. And then this last one is called Cool Ivory, and it's like a pearl and then even a lighter pearl. Let me see, I don't even know what the wand thing looks like. Oh, okay. Sorry if that's blurry, but that's what it looks like. Just a regular little wand. And I'm not gonna swatch these. I'm going to actually give these to my niece. I'm sending her package to college, and this was something that I know that she would get a kick out of. So I bought those for her. Then I saw 2 packs of socks that I wanted to get for her as well. And these are knee-high socks, and they're like it says Socksational, but I love like the pattern on that. And then you get a clear plain pair in the back, but I love those colors. And then I also picked up these. I don't know, I might keep this set for myself because I love that green, blue, and black. And then it also has purple right there. So these are super cute. So I picked up those. And then the last two items I got was, I always get these from Target, the Project 7 gum. I love to try them. And I actually did like the Margarita Vita. So now that they're in the 99-cent store, I went ahead and picked up a pack. And then the last item was this collapsible silicone funnel. And I've been needing one of these in my kitchen. So, and I love that it's collapsible, so it's not like taking up a bunch of space. So I went ahead and picked up this as well. So that is it, everybody. My 99-cent store haul for basically my Poshmark stash was, you know, picking up items to put in my stash. Stay tuned though, because I took a bunch of pictures. They had so much stuff. They even had a set of some mirrors that was shaped as hearts. Oh my god, it came with 3 in a set, and I swear I was gonna buy it, but I didn't. And then watch, whenever I go back, it's probably gonna be gone. But yeah, I'm about to put up a bunch of pictures for you guys. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to I couldn't even say it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you guys, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye. Bye. Oh, did you hear him? He said, I love you guys. You're so sweet, honey.